At Nutshell, we don't believe that artificial intelligence will replace sales and marketing teams. However, we do believe that sales and marketing teams that use artificial intelligence effectively will replace sales and marketing teams that don't. Our approach to using AI in a CRM is practical. We aim to make your sales and marketing teams more efficient, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. From summarizing lengthy records to assisting with content creation, Nutshell's AI features are designed to streamline your processes. Let's dive a little deeper into our current AI capabilities. Say goodbye to sifting through pages of notes. Nutshell's AI timeline summarization condenses your most important notes into a single, concise note with just a click. If you've worked with a customer or a person for a long period of time, you know that your notes can get pretty extensive. With just a click of a button, you can summarize the notes on a person or company timeline to surface the most important and relevant information into one easy-to-read note. This can be extremely helpful when hopping on a call with a customer or lead, or in helping bring a new sales rep or account manager up to speed on a customer. Instead of taking an hour or more to summarize on your own, Nutshell lets you summarize this info in a minute or less with a click of a button. What about adding in new notes to a person, company, or lead record? Ever had a crucial meeting and worried about missing key points? With our AI transcription summarization feature, Nutshell ensures every detail is captured from your meetings. Simply connect with one of our native integrations and ensure your settings for transcribing a meeting are turned on in your third-party app. With a click of a button, Nutshell's transcription summarization will turn your hour-long transcription into clean, actionable notes that you can share with your team or use to create your activities and follow-up plan. What about artificial intelligence for your marketing efforts? Struggling with getting started on writing content for your email campaigns? Nutshell Campaigns introduces an AI content assistant. Input your topic, choose your tone, and let our AI give you a head start. Of course, adding your personal touch and editing is always recommended. We are continually looking for more ways to use artificial intelligence in Nutshell to help make sales and marketing teams more and more efficient in filling and winning the leads in their pipelines. Start your free trial with Nutshell today to get full access to our CRM features, including our AI capabilities, during the duration of your trial.